Okay, here's how we can download games on the LG Smart TV. Now what we want to do is just first press on the home button like so. So we're taken to the home screen. Now from the home screen we will select apps. So just click on apps, and then this is going to load up your settings here. So if you're not connected, just make sure you connect to a Wi-Fi network. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on apps once more here. So once we click on apps, it should load all of the different applications by category. Now just give it some time to load. Depending on your network connection, it could be fast or slow. So here you can see all of the different apps we have featured. We have entertainment, game info, life, education. We will click on game, and then this is going to load up games specific for the LG Smart TV. So here you can choose any games which we want to download, and we'll just press on them. For example, this one, we'll just select the game itself. It's gonna load up, and we can install this by clicking on the install button. That's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.